Today we're going to be unboxing this Xbox Pulse Red controller. Works with the Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, Windows, Android, and iOS. I did not know that it worked for these three, so that's pretty nice. Includes 2 AA batteries. Let's go ahead and open it up. Has a seal down here. Oh, it looks pretty nice. It opens up just like the Xbox Series X. That's a really nice presentation from Xbox. I really like how they package stuff at Xbox, at the Microsoft. So here it is. It looks pretty nice. Has the white in the back. It says Xbox right there. It is a little bit dirty there, not sure why. Does feel pretty nice. So it does have some little bumps here for grip. All this little from here all the way to this little line here. Here's where the 2 AA batteries go. Here's the brand of the AA batteries. Duracell. The Master Chief. Let's see what it looks like when the Master Chief is holding it. Holds it pretty nice. Here's compared to the PlayStation 5 controller, side by side. They're both nice controllers. This does feel a little bit lighter. This one's a little bit heavier. It might be because of the batteries. Let me put the batteries in. Okay, it does feel a little bit heavier. But I don't know. I think the PlayStation 5 controller feels a little bit more sturdier than this one. This one gives me a feeling like it's one of those controllers made in China, the ones that you buy that are not OEM. Feels kind of weird. Gives me that kind of vibe. This one feels a little bit more sturdier. Like a cheaper plastic on this one. But I'm gonna go ahead and use it and see how long it lasts. This one, it kind of gives me like that hollow feeling, like it's hollow inside. Like it's missing some parts. I don't know how to describe it very well. This one feels like well balanced from the inside. I don't know. Might be because I'm used to using the PS5 controller for a long time now. It's the main one I use. But let's go ahead and see. I'll keep you guys updated. See what this controller feels like.